Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. Basically, in my opinion, this is the best way to get a logo. If you're looking for a company logo or some other type of design, this doesn't just go for logos, by the way. Freelancer.com actually does a lot of different things, but specifically, this is about a company logo. So I started a new website, Philly Metro CRE. And basically, once you set this login, I'm going to have a link in the description, by the way, that's going to have a special offer for you. But once you log in, create a project. Like if you want a logo, it's simple. You type in that, you have a website, phillymetrocre.com. Then you say a brief description of what it's about. Commercial real estate in Philadelphia, of course. And lastly, you set the price. So for this, you can actually go lower, by the way, but I put $125 or it was $150, I forgot, but some kind of reasonable amount. Less than one day, I got 335 entries. Yesterday, I actually went through probably close to 100 of them. But what ended up happening is, of course, it's workday, decided to just relax, and I woke up in the morning and now I have another 200 some entries. I think there was like 70 something in a couple hours. Then you just go to feedback, and the ones that you did not give feedback on, you're allowed to rate them so the person knows how they're doing. You can reject them, you can award them, which means you're going to pay them. So basically, there's two ways to do a contest, or I should say award. You can have what's not really guaranteed, which I don't recommend, or you do what's called a guaranteed award, which means you're depositing the money in the account. Once you select a company logo, that designer gets paid. So people are competing to give you a logo you like, I should say. And why is this good? Because of the simple fact that I've gone to some websites, hired a designer. I don't like what they're doing. And, when they seem like you're dealing with one person, it's I'm not saying all companies are the same way, but basically you're just unhappy with their work and they seem to go slower if you keep asking them to revise it. But with this, they just keep sending you more and more. Like you'll see this person sent a couple different designs, kind of think this is nice. So what I can do is I'll rate this 4 stars for this one. It's actually the same design, so don't get me wrong here. Some of them send it in different formats so you can see what it looks like. If you don't like it, hit reject. Reject. I do that because I don't want multiple designs of the same thing. Don't like the design. Oh, this one's kind of cool, right? So I'll rate that one a 4. I'll hit reject. See, so you get different designs from different people, and it just gives you an idea of what you're looking for. So, okay. Kind of nice. Reject, 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 reject. But as you can see here, you can go through these designs until you found the right one for you. And after you find that design, that person gets paid, and now you have, what you're looking for, the perfect logo. You can also do this on days. So you can see up at the top here, I just set up for 3 days. We haven't gone through 24 hours. And if you saw from the other screen, I got 335 entries. Some of them are from the same person in duplicate, like you're seeing here. No feedback, refresh. But it's a great way to get a logo. And in my opinion, I've used other websites. This one seems to be, in my opinion, the best way to get a logo quickly, or some other projects. It's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center. Smash the like button, subscribe, click the link for your logo and offer. Have a great day.